Alright, girls. Today is the day that today is the holiday. It's the 4th of July time. Yeah, I know. I am so loving the 4th of July. We're ready to see the fireworks. Yeah, me neither. Yeah, I so loving that fireworks. The fireworks is so much fun. Yeah. Oh my goodness. It's 4th of July. Everybody else love 4th of July. Yeah. I love the fireworks. Today's the 4th of July. Well, these fireworks are loud, but really scary, but well, it's really loud, but I'm not pretty sure I'm not going to see the fireworks. Oh, come on, Suzy. Fireworks are exactly that loud. That's what fireworks is all about. That's what 4th of July is all about. When everybody else love the 4th of July so much for the holiday of the 4th of the July of the month. So, are you girls ready to go see the fireworks? Who wants to go with me to go see the fireworks? I know you're all excited. I'm not going to see the fireworks. I would rather stay home. Yeah, me neither. I would rather eat some more food instead. We are celebrating 4th of July. I'm exactly not going anywhere on tonight. Well, I would rather stay here. Yeah, I don't feel like go see the fireworks. I would rather stay home. Yeah, me neither. I would rather watch TV. You can go without us. Yeah, me neither. I want to stay here. Me too. Well, I don't want to go see the fireworks tonight. It's just too loud. It makes me make my ears bleed. So I'm good at it. I'm not going. Well, I'm going. I want to go see the fireworks tonight. I am so excited. I love 4th of July so much. It's my favorite holiday. I want to go. Okay. Well, I guess all of you are not going. It's just you and me, Harriet. Yeah, I know, Shanae. It's the both of us to go see the fireworks. Okay. Well then, as soon as when it hits the 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, the both of us will get ready to go see the fireworks where everybody else is at. Where everybody else. Until it turns night, it's fireworks time. But it especially when it's gonna rain, it better not be canceled. The fireworks for 4th of July for today. On today, they better not be. They better not cancel the fireworks to go see the fireworks. If they cancel the fireworks until it's gonna rain out there. They're gonna ruin the 4th of July. Oh no, that's terrible! Well, they better not be canceled the fireworks on 4th of July. I can't believe it's gonna rain out there until tonight. Please, this cannot be happening. This cannot be happening on 4th of July. We want to see the fireworks, but why? I have no idea here yet. But I guess we're gonna have to wait until it turns night. We get ready to go out there to go see the fireworks where everybody else is at. You understand, Harriet? Yeah, I understand, Shanae. Good. Then I guess you're coming with me so we can stay up in the living room. I'm coming with... Alright, Shanae. And you girls, behave and stay positive at home. Don't do anything else in the house. You can rather watch TV or do some fun. No offense, Pinkie Pie and Suzy, Fantasia. Whatever, Shanae. We're gonna be good and behave. I promise I'll behave, Shanae. I promise. All right, girls. I guess since you're not coming with us to go see the fireworks on 4th of July, well, it's just me and Harriet to go see the fireworks. You girls good luck with that in Grandma's house, right? Right, Shanae? Well, here we are. I know. We came here just in time. And oh, we can't wait to see the fireworks tonight. I know. Everybody else is very excited about the fireworks. And we just had to wait until it turns dark. You know? I know. I just had to wait and be patient. Oh, I can't wait. Alright, girls, we're back. Well, how does the fireworks go? It was amazing. I am so loving the fireworks. I had never seen the fireworks in my entire life. They're so pretty, amazing, there are lots of colors, they go boom, big boom, and everything. And it's really loud, like you said, Suzy. Yeah, fireworks are really loud. You know, fireworks, 4th of July is my favorite holiday. I am loving this holiday about 4th of July. Yeah, I agree with you, Harriet. I love the fireworks too. Well, as long as I love the fireworks on 4th of July, well, you know what my favorite holiday is? What is it, Shanae? Well, my favorite holiday is Christmas. Christmas is my favorite holiday. You do? Well, I love Christmas. Me too. Me 3, me 4, and me 5. So do I. I love Christmas. Oh, Harriet. How about, since we are home already, should you watch us a video about the fireworks for 4th of July? Of course, Harriet. I want to watch it again. Okay. Let me go grab my tablet. Yeah. Whoa! Look at all the fireworks! They're so amazing and colorful! Yeah! Look, there's more! Wow! That's a lot of fireworks! Oh my gosh, they're so pretty! Wow! They're so enjoying the fireworks! This is why I love 4th of July. Yeah, me neither! I wonder if they have some food around here. Strawberry! You always think about food and everything. Well, they had to celebrate 4th of July. Yeah, I guess you're right. I guess everybody else loves fireworks. I had to stop thinking about food. Good, Strawberry. Oh, so colorful! Oh my gosh, more fireworks! Fireworks are colorful! It's getting bigger! So sparkly. Wow! Whoa! So colorful and it's so bright. Well, I am enjoying this 4th of July. I love fireworks so much that I'm loving for a whole year. Well, happy 4th of July Day, girls. You too, Harriet. You too, Harriet. Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Yeah, me either. And happy 4th of July to you too, Harriet. And especially you, Suzy. Yeah. Happy 4th of July. Wow. Fireworks are amazing. Fireworks are too loud. I know that.